What's the meaning of country house? Country house. Country house.
Country house. Country house. A country house is a large, luxurious residence typically located in the countryside or on the outskirts of a city. These houses are often owned by wealthy individuals who use them as a vacation home or weekend retreat. They may also serve as venues for events such as weddings or corporate retreats. Country houses often feature beautiful gardens, expansive grounds, and a wide variety of amenities including swimming pools, tennis courts, and stables. Overall, they are designed to provide a peaceful and elegant escape from the hustle and bustle of city life.